On this episode, Añejo is trying to sell their boat.
Tomorrow is coming back and we're gonna try to sell.
In the meantime, we're going out for a night on the town, island style. You guys ready to go to Patrick's?
Yeah, let's go try some, what did you say, iguana?
Iguana.
We're headed to a local restaurant where we're able to get some pretty wild food.
Well, it's like chocolate cake, right? But no chocolate, so it's fruit. And the fruit's got this like sticky consistency throughout.
The JJ made it out of a martini glass. Let's do a shot. Then we're gonna take a pretty serious shot. Let's go have some fun in Grenada.
Holy good!
Yeah, it's a bit stronger than Fireball. Huh?
How is it?
Oh!
It was like acid.
We just lost Abel.
Welcome to Lazy Gecko Sailing. I'm Brittany, and this is Jeremiah.
I came from the mud.
For 5 years, we've been sailing the world and filming it all for you.
Strong like a tree.
Now come along with us as we head for the Caribbean.
Oh, I've been running.
Make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
Sadly, Abel and Ellen have decided to put their boat on the market, and they already have a buyer.
Maybe we got some news because Helen just came back.
Hello.
Any news?
Any news? We are not too sure yet.
How do you feel?
I will see if we buy it or not. We are not too sure if he's gonna buy it. It's hard to tell. But see what happens. It's his first day. He's gonna look around Añejo and see if he like it. Tomorrow he's coming back and we're gonna try to sell with him and see if he like it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Are you sad?
I think you're happy when you buy a boat. You're happy when you sell the boat. So
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, well everybody says like your happiest day is when you buy it, second happiest when you sell it or something like that.
Yeah.
Exactly.
But I always feel like both days are kind of bittersweet. Well, buying boat's great. Selling it, you're happy but you're sad.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, but like I'm thinking, I'm like, we did decide to do it for a year with knowing nothing. We tried, and it was just a year. No, it's a year, and we know we love it.
Yeah.
And we're gonna sell the boat, and we can buy another one later.
Are you going to continue your YouTube videos?
Of course.
There you go, that's how you do it. Nice. So you're doing what I do is I just watch Brittany work out.
Yes, I love that.
Yeah, if I watch long enough, I'll get in shape too.
Yes.
It's kind of cool. I was out here working out and I saw Ellen walking down the dock and I was like, oh, now I got some company.
Yeah.
That's
You
nice.
inspire me, you know.
Yeah.
My son's the same.
She should show me yoga.
You guys should do yoga.
Yeah, we will.
Look,
will.
you've almost killed the dog because you put the thing on top of her.
I didn't realize she was
Look at
there.
her, she's under there panting. Let me see if your light fell.
Aw, she did that.
No.
She crawled under there.
There you go. I'll let you ladies go continue having fun.
Yep.
What are you doing?
I'm making a video.
Good on ya. You've been a good gig today.
Man, I just stopped.
He's all wound up. He told me
It's still uploading.
I'm doing shots.
I'm gonna have to do some shots tonight.
You guys ready to go to Patrick's?
We
Yeah.
are ready.
What was on the menu?
You don't even have to come on, we'll just come off.
Rabbit,
Rabbit?
iguana.
Guana?
Yes.
There's some crazy stuff.
You
on
can
the
buy
menu.
like a tapas of 25 dish difference from here.
Oh my gosh, dude. All right, let's go.
Do you guys want to have a drink or you want to go?
Yeah, we finish our glass.
Honey, they're going to finish their drink.
Okay, cool.
Are you ready to go try some local food?
Yeah, let's go try some, what did you say, iguana?
Iguana.
Yeah. Are we going that way?
Iguana,
Yeah.
rabbit.
The menu changes because depends what animals are on
What's
the
it
menu.
called?
Wild game.
So how did you guys find out about this restaurant?
We asked the local guy in the marina here. He said it was the best local eatery there was for
Where is
local.
it?
It's just over there.
Right there.
But we got to go outside the fences.
Oh Going outside the fence.
Yeah.
Someone tried to sell us some mango, but we had a bag full of mango. So we were like,
What I gather is we are going to Patrick's, and Añejo checked out the menu. You can try some crazy local food, but they also have some normal stuff on the menu as well, like hamburger and french fries. I'm gonna try something crazy. Maybe I can talk Jeremiah and Reese into it too. See what Añejo comes up with. I've also heard that you can do like a tapas style, so let's check this bad boy out. We're going outside the fence in Grenada at nighttime. Let's go. Patrick's is the real deal. Want to see where the locals eat? This is it. It's famous for a wild menu. We were excited to try it out. I've always enjoyed trying new things. Jeremiah entertains it at times.
Either one of those two?
That one was good. Thank you. Easy. She sent us towards our table and we were ready to go.
This is the first time you guys are coming,
Yeah.
Patrick's?
Well, we got told to come here, so we were like, don't miss out Patrick's, it's the place to go.
Well, generally we do a tapas style.
What's on that variety?
It will start with the callaloo soup. You would have salads like green banana salad, a garden salad, chicken salad.
Iguana?
No iguana today. What? You may get rabbit.
Rabbit. How much is the tapas?
The tapas is 60 EC per person.
Okay. Sounds good. I think I'm gonna get down with that. It was time to celebrate an amazing sail from the States to Grenada. We've seen so much and made so many great friends along the way. This was a perfect night.
All right, Reese, I'm coming for you. All right.
The best fisherman. What did you get, Brittany?
I'm not sure. What is this called?
Oh, here we go.
Ooh, we have some more food here.
Thank you. Callaloo soup, is it? It's their vegetable, that leaf right there on the wall, right?
That's the one that's in the jungle.
In the jungle? Ah, it's good.
It's really nice.
Mmm, it's yummy. You guys like it?
Delicious.
Honey, you want to try some?
Yes, no. You go ahead.
So what it is?
Callaloo soup. I think I'm saying it right.
Yeah, callaloo, plant-based soup.
Plant-based soup.
All right, one of the leaf here.
Brittany, go check out the bathroom. It's like Philippines.
On it, rubber ducky.
Rubber ducky one, rubber ducky two.
Okay, that's Abel's saying, but it's all good. I need to pee, so I'm off to check the bathrooms out. The husband says this is a Philippines-style bathroom. Oh, let's go potty. Oh, yeah. That was pretty cool, but I've never been to the Philippines, so how exactly is it like the Philippines?
Well, mine was just like, you know, black lighting and like paintings all over the place.
I'm gonna go look at yours. That's so funny. There's black lighting in here. A vajayjay made out of a martini glass. Invisible man in a suit. Much cooler bathroom than mine was. You're right.
Yeah, and how is it, Roscoe?
Very good.
Well, it's like chocolate cake, right? But no chocolate, so it's fruit. And the fruit's got this like sticky consistency throughout, which makes the cake more of like a dense cake.
Alright.
The whipped cream and chocolate on top really just helps it
Tops it off.
slide down. It's delicious.
And it's vegan before you go.
It is.
Whoa, vegan. I'm gonna try a little bite and then I'm gonna give the rest to Reese.
Pretty good? Oh, there goes Ellen, look at her.
She's just chowing it. Oh look, double down.
Oh, what did she say this was? Clark's Court? And then she lets
Traditional spices.
own traditional spices. All right, let's do a shot, all my tapas people. Cheers.
Yeah,
Cheers.
cheers, bitches. Holy good.
Yeah, it's a bit
Holy.
stronger than Fireball. Huh?
How is it?
Oh! Oh! is that?
Are you kidding?
Oh.
I didn't expect.
How'd it taste?
I don't think I tasted anything. I lost my whole breath.
Mine's coming back up. You can't eat that. You having that? Oh my goodness.
It was a bit like rubbing alcohol.
Was it?
I don't know what.
Is there any more? Did you take the whole thing?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be nice. That ain't nice.
So did you like taste the berries and stuff?
What?
Wow! Just a lip is enough.
Abel feels really bad.
Oh man. Get that.
Abel, how was it?
I'm sweating.
I'm dripping. Instantly.
That's like proper schnapps, like you get in Austria.
I didn't expect that. Am I gonna return to normal feeling? I don't know. I know, like.
So was it like Fireball?
No, it was like
We just
acid.
lost Abel.
I don't know what just happened. Do they really want that to
Abel, be
happen?
careful to the car.
They mean for that? What does snaps mean? I don't know.
Schnapps are like the purest form of alcohol you can get.
Oh.
I didn't realize they just did that.
I wouldn't say I like it, but I've had quite a bit of it.
I feel like my. Is it? You've had it?
Yeah, a lip and was enough. Like, I believe it's
I
strong.
feel like my throat fell out of my body. What was that? That was intense.
No shit.
That was crazy. Is that something you do on the regular? Like people drink it on the regular?
Well, some people do. Yes.
Oh my
People
gosh.
actually like it.
That was crazy. I'm sweating.
And that's, which kind of fruit is that?
It's the mixed fruit. Like you make Christmas pudding.
Yeah.
So you have all the fruits, you grind them together and you put them to soak in rum or wine or whatever. And then,
So my child, he.
oh,
It's safe?
it's not much. It's
Great.
Enjoy
How you feel, Reese? Was it good?
better than mommy.
yes, I think there's a little.
He's gonna be all right. It's all right.
Okay.
Yeah. No.
Children
I
usually
think
eat
that's
Christmas pudding.
Is this where we come for the snobs? Oh my gosh.
Did you want another one?
No.
Well, the schnapps is a local.
It's my shout.
It's
I mean,
a
I'll buy
local
you one if you
thing.
want to
A
drink
local
that.
It's a local thing. They call it under the counter.
Jeez.
You might get it in any of the local shops that sell rum and stuff like that.
Wow. Yeah.
We,
I'm good for the night. Wow.
Okay, let me
Thank
clear
you.
this.
We're good.
It's scary, mommy.
Tell me again. Sharing is
caring.
cheers. We just don't need to get hit by the freaking semi truck or that van. Oh, he's like, let me pick you up and take you for a cab ride.
No offense.
You're so naughty.
I
love
am.
it. Can I put this on film or are you gonna?
No, not at all.
Sorry, guys.
One for Ellen. Oh, here's one for Ellen.
No, she don't want one. She'll hate it.
Share it, half and half.
She's already tasted it.
Come on, guys, you can share. Sharing is caring, right? Thank you. Wait, you're supposed to share it with Ellen. You were
What's this
supposed
like?
to share it with Ellen.
They're like warm fish. Oh.
You were supposed to share it with Ellen.
No, she had some.
I did.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Your
Wonderful.
assessment. You like the restaurant, Roscoe?
Delicious.
Love it?
Great hospitality.
Yes.
Great company.
Yeah. I loved it.
Was a nice local, like very nice local.
Your pork was amazing. You feel it now. Do you feel it now?
It makes you feel gross.
Right? That's why Ava walked away.
Yeah, did you throw it up or what?
Nah, I didn't. I wanted to.
What's your assessment of the restaurant?
Amazing, delicious. Patrick's in Grenada, amazing. Delicious, but the schnapps, no bueno.
No.
No bueno.
Super cheap. I thought so anyways.
It was good value for money.
It really was.
That schnapps will put hairs on your chest.
Oh, you thought it was nice?
Hopefully not mine. I don't need those.
It was like warm fish oil.
What?
Yeah.
I lost my breath. You
Oh,
did
me
pretty
too.
good. But he drinks scotch. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I like scotch.
Are you used to it?
Right now my belly's like, yeah. But my taste bud's like, no.
Coming up on the Lazy Geckos. I'm going to open this up to see what food I have before provisioning. And there's bug. The hawk, sundown.
We had issues with this door for a long time. Our air conditioner's not been working. My latest screwed up body part, I got attacked by red ants.
That was a major fail. Cannondale waterfall is so beautiful. A CPAP, a safe, a bottle of scotch, and more laundry. Here's your punishment. Oh, yeah.
Our battery bank is no longer good. Trojan T2s. We're gonna take these out. We're gonna be putting new ones in.
Did I get the right sizes? You opened it.
I have no idea.
In order to go into any crazy weather, we really need that to work.
This is the rudder stock. It's like kind of bent that way.
Then it all blows up. Drones flying above us. People were getting irritated. There's 14,000 people on this island. It's now empty cart and by cruising backpack. Doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.